Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make your Chrome work faster. You might have problems whereby your Chrome is slow and lagging. I will show you these quick steps on how to fix these problems. Straight to the point. You want to open your Chrome browser. Then on the right side, click on the three dots. Go onto your settings. Here in your settings, you want to scroll down a bit and select System. Select System. You're going to see above here, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. You're going to go ahead and toggle this off. Toggle it off. And ensure this one is toggled on. Alright, so we just leave it this way. We're going to go down again to the left side. Click on Reset Settings. Then Restore Settings to their original default. Select this, left click on that. We're going to reset settings, and don't worry, this is not going to delete your password or whatnot. It says here bookmarks, history, and save password won't be affected. So go ahead and reset settings. Once that is done, you're going to go to your left side again, the left side of your screen. Select extension. Here you're going to toggle off whatever extension you don't need. All right, whatever is needed can be toggled on. Like, I don't need this to be on. I just toggle it off. All right. Whatever you use often, just leave it on like that. And one more thing is always advisable to have this ad block. I'm going to do a video about this. So this is very useful to block unwanted ad that may be troubling you while browsing, So you're going to leave something like this on your extension. You don't need so many extensions. As you can see on this computer, there are only 3 of them. In cases whereby you have so many extensions, go ahead and toggle off what you don't need. If you're 100% sure you don't need it at all, just go ahead and remove it. It's best that way to keep the numbers low. Having done all that, just close this. Then you're going to select your Windows key and R, Windows R, and here you're going to type ncpa.cpl. I already typed it earlier, so as it is here, you just type ncpa.cpl. Once that's done, just select OK. Here you have your Wi-Fi, so right click on your Wi-Fi. Select Properties. Under Internet Protocol version 4, select this one, select Properties. You're going to go down here and select Use the following DNS server address. So here you're going to impute the DNS for Chrome itself, which is, you type 8, select here again, type 8, select, type 8, and 8. You're going to go ahead down here, type 8, then type 4 and 4. So above here you have 88888844 below. So up here you have your primary DNS server, and below is your secondary. So after having done that, you just select OK, close. Go ahead and close it. After this step, just restart your computer and see the changes. Let me know if this helped you. If it did, leave your comment in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the notification so you get notified whenever we post content like this. Thank you and have a nice day. See you in the next video.